Best Laptop Backpack for Men review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular men's backpacks in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this laptop backpack so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of the functionality of this backpack. The one that made our list is the Mateen Travel Laptop Backpack. This bag has a separate compartment that holds up to a 15.6-inch laptop, and the front compartment has multiple pockets for ease of organization. This bag has thick and soft multi-panel ventilated padding that gives maximum back support. The shoulder straps are breathable and adjustable to help relieve pressures on the shoulders, and the foam padded top handle allows for easy hand carry too. This bag has an additional luggage strap that fits easily over most luggage handles, plus a hidden back pocket where you can keep your valuable items hidden from prying eyes. And the best part is, this bag has a built-in USB port that allows you to easily charge your devices anywhere, anytime, if you bring along a battery pack. And this bag is water resistant and has a durable polyester fabric for extended durability. To check out the full specs of the Mateen Travel Laptop Backpack and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/laptopmen. Here's a quick video of the functionality of this backpack. So there you have it, the Mateen Travel Laptop Backpack. Considering its ease of use, its overall functionality, and the quality of the material, we feel that this men's backpack is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Mateen Travel Laptop Backpack and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/laptopmen. Alright, thank you for watching.